Hey guys, my name is Nwaeze David, and in this video, I want to talk about the different ways you can make money with a platform called Owodaily. Now, I've been asked some questions in the past about this, how to make money on this platform, what are the different ways you can make money on this platform. So that's why I'm making this video to help clarify that. Now, a lot has changed on this platform since it began, and what I'm sharing with you right now is the 2024 updates, what is currently on ground. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that whenever I release an update, you'll be the first to know. If there's any changes, I'll make a video talk about it. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can receive that notification whenever I make any new videos. Now, there are three ways you can make money on this platform, and I'm going to show you on my screen how each of them works. If you check the description of this video, you will find the registration link to Owodaily. Go ahead and sign up. Now, once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard. It will look like this. Just go ahead. Okay, I'm going to talk about the first way of making money with Owodaily. I think the first thing you notice, which is the popular thing about Owodaily, is the microtask, where you see micro jobs, small tags that you can do and be earning a little amount. That's the first way to make money with Owodaily. All you need to go through the menu, either from the home page here, or you go to the menu where you say jobs, look for available jobs. We're going to open this in a new tab. Let's check available jobs. Now, as you can see here on the screen, these are jobs that are already available. As you can see, this is Instagram job, is paying out 10 naira per tax. Now, this may say follow someone on Instagram. If you follow the person, they pay you $10. It says share something on Instagram. If you share it, you earn the amounts that the person is advertising. This is says Telegram bots, new users 25 naira, Facebook job 10 naira, YouTube subscription. Some people come here to buy subscription on their YouTube channel. They post the job, you go to the channel, subscribe, and they'll pay you. So these are micro tasks. These are jobs that people are posting every single day. If they post a job, you can come here and apply for it, and once you've completed the tasks, you get paid. Now let's look at how this job works. Let's click on apply for one of them. Let's just take a look at how this job works, how to complete a task if you log into your Owodaily dashboard. So we're going to open that in a new we're going to open this particular job, this Instagram job. We'll click on apply now. Now, once you click on apply now, the instruction for the job will come up, so you can now see how to complete the job so you can get paid. As you can see, this say read the instruction carefully, only submit proof after completion. Now, this is very important. You need to complete the task before you submit proof, because if you submit something that is not the proof, you might get limited by Owodaily team if maybe your result is being reported. So make sure you are completing the task before you submit. So okay, job instruction. Say job instruction. You click on start job and like the photo or video. Very simple. When you click on this job, this is the link to the job. Once you click on start job, the Instagram account will open up. You can either like the video or the photo of the person that posted this job. Once you like it, screenshot it. Okay, screenshot it and also note the name of that account. That's what you're going to submit. So it said proof required by a job. It said what's the IG username. So this person wants to know the username of, to confirm that you did the job. You want to know what's the username of that on that photo or video. So once you make sure you read the instructions so that you can get the result that you needed. So once you've gotten the IG username of the person, come here and submit it. Enter the IG of the person here, and once you've done that, click on this box here, check it, and then submit proof. Once you submit proof, it takes 24 hours, sometimes 2 to 5 days. It depends on the person who posted the job. If the person is active, they can approve you within 24 hours, but within 1 to 5 days the job will be approved or denied, depending on the accuracy of your proof. If you submit a wrong proof, it will be rejected. If you submit the right proof, it will be approved, and the money will be added to your account. So this is the first way to make money with Owodaily. Now, the second way to make money with Owodaily is the referral program. Now, most, as you already know, most platforms have a referral program or affiliate programs. So Owodaily has its own referral program as well. So when you refer someone to Owodaily, you get a commission for each person that you refer. The easier way, you need to get your referral link. Just go to your menu here and click on copy invite URL, or you can go to reward. Let me open it in a new tab. Click on rewards. Okay. Once the rewards option menu opens up, you can go here and click on your affiliate link. You can copy the short link, or you can copy the whole link, but this whole link is long, so you can just copy the short link. If you check the description of this video, I pasted my own short link there. So if you sign up, I will get a commission for referring you. So go ahead, copy your referral link and share it with your friends. And when they sign up, you make a commission. So that's the second option, the second way of making money with Owodaily. Now, the third way of making money is by posting job. Yeah, I know that sounds somehow, but it's actually true. Now, this platform is not just about completing other people's tasks. You can also post your own job and have people complete it for you. Let's say, for example, you have a product that you want so many people on social media to engage. What you need to do is come to Owodaily here and post a job. You can just go to the menu here. All right, so to post a job here, simply click on post job, or you go through the menu here where it says jobs again. Click on it and click on hire micro workers. Now, you are going to hire some micro workers to do a job for you. Go ahead and open it. Let me open this in a new tab. Now, there are many ways to make money when posting a job. You can let's say you have a product that you want so many people to see, and when they see it, most times most people will buy, and sometimes they can subscribe to your lead, which you can nurture and then sell as time goes on. So, but the bottom line is that by posting jobs, the people who are completing this task can help you reach more audience. Now, the more audience you reach, the more people you reach with your offers, the more chances of you making sales. So, to post a job, simply click on post new jobs, then select the country where you want the people to complete this task from. So you can see if you want worldwide, that's the number of the country that have already signed up on this platform. So you can see there are 17 UK users on this platform. There are 12 Canadian users. There are 30 USA users. And the whole of Africa, that's about 33,600 users. Now, you same with Nigeria. Then you can, if you want everyone, you can just click on worldwide. If you want only Nigeria, select only Nigeria. If you want Canada, USA, just select the country that you want. Okay. So once you selected that, scroll down to the type of job you want. Is here an app? Let's say, for example, okay, good. Now, this is another instance. Let's say you are advertising, you have an app you want people to install. You can use this to get people to install that app and use it. Or let's say you are a social media manager and you are being paid to get people to engage in a post or to share that post to grow the channel. You can use this particular platform to do that job comfortably. You can even use this platform to do CPA marketing. I will make the video in the next video. I'm going to talk about that. I'll make a video how to use this platform to make money with CPA marketing. Now, Facebook, there's Facebook here, there's Google Maps, there is Instagram, LinkedIn, music promotion. You can just select the type of job that you want to do here. There's online votes. Okay, let's say there is a competition that you are applying for, you want people to vote for you. You can come here and click on online votes as an option. You select people to vote for you and increase your chance of winning. You can hire people here to review your products to help you rank more and so on search engine. And get people to sign up for offers, Snapchat survey, Telegram, Thread, TikTok, websites. If you want people to visit your website and take action on your website, you can simply click on that. You can see there are so many options here: WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube. Select the option, the category of the job you want to post. Then come here and click on the subcategory. Let's say, for example, want to do a Facebook job. Select Facebook as a job category. Then the subcategory is what you want them to do on that particular category. Now, for example, if you want them to just like your post, you can select this. As you can see now, another thing you need to notice that if you're selecting from this subcategory, the price, the number, the amounts, the minimum amounts you can pay for each job will be updated here. So you can see for a like is 10 naira, for share 15 naira, for follow, for someone to follow you on Facebook, that's 10 naira, for someone to comment, the minimum 10, for someone to add you as friend, that's sorry, yeah, it's 20 naira. To join a group, 25. Page review, to review a page. Let's say you have a Facebook page, you want people to review it, give you 5 star, and write good things about your page. You can hire them here. The minimum you pay 15 naira. So just each subcategory here has different amounts. So depending on what you want to do with this, and come here and select it. So if you want them to like and comment, if you want them to just share posts, just select it. Let's say you want them to share and comment on a post. So they're going to view your Facebook post, they will share it on their wall or in a group or anywhere you want them to share it, and they will also comment to help get more visibility to your post. Now, this is the number of workers. The minimum is 10. Now you can add more numbers here, say 100 or 1,000 people to share and comment on your post. Now you can select the gender you want to complete this job. If you want only male to complete this job, if you want only female, let's say you have a female product, you want only female users to engage, you can select the female and only female users will do the job. Now, if you want them to submit a screenshot as proof, this a screenshot actually is the best way to get proof, to confirm, make sure that people actually did the job. Because if you say they should just submit proof without screenshots, most times they might not really do the job completely. They will submit proof because maybe the proof is simpler. But if you say submit a screenshot, then definitely they're going to finish that job so that they can get the proof as a screenshot of the proof. So this is very important. Make sure you select it. Make sure you select the screenshot as proof. Then you can enter your job title here. Now enter the job URL, the URL of the job where you want them to engage. If it's a Facebook post, put the link here. If it's a website, put the link here. Then enter the job description, and describe what you want them to do for you. Okay. Now, you can select this, make use of custom comment list, but there's no need for this. Just leave it. But that's if you want to make a custom list, so you just select it. But it's really not required. It's an option. It's an optional. It's optional. So you can skip that. Proof. Now you can tell them what proof you want. You can tell them screenshots where you shared the post, or you screenshot your comments, stuff like that. Make sure you are clear with your instruction. Tell them exactly what you want as proof. Okay, once you've done that, and select here, yes, I will manually approve this. But if you want the Owodaily team to help you review each submission to approve or deny, you can hire them here as an extra charge. It's about 2,500. But if you want to do it yourself, which is very easy, just select self. Normally I use self because I do it myself. Then you can select a payment method. Now, initially, before that's why I told you so many things have changed on this platform. Before, you have to add money on your account. You have to have money already on your account before you post a job. But now you can select everything. You can first of all add all your jobs, uh, select all the tasks you want to be completed. Once you are done, you can now select the type of payment method you want. You can see the total amount will come up here. You can now select how you want to pay, whether you want to pay with credit card, Flutterwave, Stripe. You select the payment option you want to make payment for your job, or if you have balance on your wallet, you simply click on credit wallet. Then at the moment, I don't have any. I've used all my balance here to post a job. But if you have any balance here, you can use it to post a job. If you don't have, select a payment option and then click on pay job campaign fee. Now, once you made your payment, they will review it. It normally takes 24 hours. They will review it, and once it is okay, they will approve it, and people start completing the tasks. This way you start making money. As I told you before, there are many ways you can make money by posting job, whether it's affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, promoting your offers, selling your own products, making people share your product to more people so that you to get more visibility. That way you make more sales. So these are the 3 ways you make money with Owodaily. If there are more ways, I will still make video and share with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed to this video. And if you like what I shared here, please give this video a thumbs up and comment Owodaily so that the algorithm will pick it up and share it with more people. So if you have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer it all. And I think that's it. I've covered everything in this video. I'll also make more videos. If there are more updates, I'll also make more videos and let you guys know what's up on this platform. So go ahead right now and sign up and start making money with Owodaily. And if I will see you in the next video.